Welcome back to the podcast of Class 9 Geography, Chapter 1 India. Today, our topic will be India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. At present, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Please mark the states on an outline political map of India and write the names of the capital of each state. After marking them, find out these information. 1. Area wise, which is the smallest and which is the largest state? 2. The states which do not have an international border or lie on the coast. 3. Classify the states into 4 groups, each having common frontiers or borders with 1. Pakistan, 2. China, 3. Myanmar, and 4. Bangladesh. Please do these questions for examination purpose. The Union territories are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, and Puducherry. Students, please find out the capital of these union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the 2 island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Look at the physical map of Asia in your atlas and you will clearly understand how India stands apart from the rest of Asia. Before 1947, there were 2 types of states in India, the provinces and the princely states. Provinces were ruled directly by the British officials who were appointed by the viceroy. Princely states were ruled by the local hereditary rulers who acknowledged sovereignty in return for local autonomy. Students, there is a wonderful website called Maps of India. You should explore this site to get various types of map telling you different things about India. So, happy learning!